Hello everyone, my name is Tanner. Today I'm going to show all of you guys how we upgrade a gaming computer. This is what's going in the case today. First, an Intel Core i7 processor. It is really fast. Second, we have a 16 GB of G-Skill DDR3 2004 speed and a super fast 10 CAS. Third, we have a 1 TB hybrid drive and a 256 GB Mushkin solid state driver. Fourth, a new ASUS DVD Burner. And all of this is going on a new ASUS Z97A Motherboard with USB 3.1. We are also doing a fresh install of Windows 10 and upgrading to a gaming mouse plus keyboard from Viotek. So hang on to your seat, let's get started. So guys, this is my old machine. It used to run absolutely perfect in 2008, but now it's not good enough to run like Arma 3 and all those big huge games that we see people playing these days. So this is the thing we're going to be upgrading, and yeah. Okay, so we're just going to pull these screws out here. Put it down here. There you go. Last, we're going to replace the motherboard. It was an awesome Gigabyte ultra durable motherboard and an older Intel dual core processor that I overclocked. This was a great setup and it never gave me any problems. But things get old and don't work well, so that's why we're replacing it.
I'm so happy, lucky me. I just go my way, living every day. I don't worry is just a dream. Things that bother you never bother me. Things that bother you never bother me. I feel happy and fine. Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Having got a lot.
So there we go. There's all the screws out of the motherboard. It's time to take this puppy out. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the Intel Core i7 processor unboxing and see what's inside this thing. This is going to basically be the brand of the computer. So let's open it up. Let's take the tape off here. Looks like that's the main part, obviously. Here's the manual, or the instruction guide, I guess. Oh, cool little sticker there. So just take this out, little casing. Here's the Intel Core i7 processor. Looks kind of like a fan. Oh, there's a fan on the back of it. So yeah. Okay, my bad. Actually, this is the fan part right here. And this is the i7 core processor right here. This is gonna be hard to get out. There we go. Nice little box case right there. Okay. Looks pretty cool. Has some bits and stuff in there. Go ahead and open it up and feel what it's like. Oh, yeah, careful with it. So it's very small, as you can see. Nice and shiny and reflective. Yep, that's the i7 core processor. Again, here's the fan. Little spinning thing, gadget right there. Here I have installed the CPU into the motherboard, and next we're going to do the fan. Here I've installed the stock fan right over the CPU. I'm using the stock fan because I really don't think I'm going to overclock this computer for a long while. Now we're going to put the motherboard back into the computer. So now we have the new motherboard in, and I'm going to go ahead and finish installing it by screwing the screws in. So guys, here's the RAM right here. It's the G-Skill Trident X. Each one of these little cards, or little slips or whatever you would like to call it, holds 8 gigabytes of RAM. And you can see up here is the heat spreader, which when you're playing like Arma 3 or something like that, it will spread the heat and keep the heat away from this card itself, which was really good because it won't damage the card. So yeah, can't wait to install it to my PC. Okay guys, so we're going to install this RAM card into these 2 gray memory slots, and since we have 2 of these and there's 2 gray memory slots, it's called a dual channel connector. So yeah, basically you want to get these grooves, to see this groove, and then down here there's a groove. Let me just put this down for a second. There is this little piece right here, and basically you're gonna put, where is it at, this thing into that little groove down there. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm gonna put these into these little slots on the side here. You're gonna go push down. You can use a little force, but make sure you're applying the force on the main part of the RAM and not the upper part, like right here. And once you hear this little click, like that one, it should be good in there, right? Okay, so next we're gonna install the other one, basically just the same thing. So let's do that. Get a closer shot of this too. Okay, it's gonna go right in this little gray thing, not these black ones, these gray ones. Okay, let's make sure the groove, again, make sure the groove is on the groove down there. So again, the same thing basically. Now when you're pushing it down, try not to apply force on, like I said, the main, the upper parts, like this part. You want to apply the force on the main part. So this one's being a little bit difficult. Oh, it's because it's not in all the way. There we go. Again, hear the click. That one. And you just put it in like that. And like that. There you go. Your 2 RAM cards are installed in the dual connector piece. Okay guys, so the video card is going back in. Again, this is the GeForce GTX 970 video card. So, yep, you're going to slip these 2 back slots into that little slot. Like that. Then you're going to put these little output things. Probably can't see it, but I'm just going to still explain it just so you guys can kind of learn off of it. You can put those little slots into the middle of those gray things. I don't think it's another one. Okay. Just going to push down then. And these 2 things. Is it in? I think it's in. That's how you put a video card back in. Okay, so guys, we're going to connect these power connectors into the video card, but first, let me talk about the power supply I already had. It's a really good one from OCZ. It's a really great company that just is really good for gamers and overclockers. It's a 600 watt power supply, so we're not going to change that out because it's already good like it is, but we're going to put these power supply things, not power supply, power connectors in, right into these 2 little slots. Just going to put them in right like that, not too hard. This one's giving me a little fight, but put that right in. There you go. Okay guys, so here's just a whole overview of the PC after we were done with it. We still got a few more things to do, like install Windows 10, put the chassis and the side panel on, but let's just look at all the parts that when they're in there. Here's the video card, the 2 RAM cards, the PC, the power supply, and 2 hard drives over here that you can't see because the camera's not in the perfect angle. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the side panel and the chassis on right now. Okay guys, we're ready to put the side panel back on, so just gonna lay it flat like that. Well, okay. This isn't going too well. Okay. That little hole or little slip right there. You're just gonna push it in. There you go. Okay, we're ready to power this thing on. Let's see how it works. Okay, so we're just gonna do Windows 10 right here. Oh, I put it in wrong. Here's the case. Here's the main compartment. Open it up. Welcome to Windows 10. Looks pretty cool. Nice little flip out there. And manual looks like maybe. This thing is confusing. Oh. And here is a little USB chip. Right there, let me just get it focused. Here it is. It's very, very small. Nice and compact. Okay. I don't think there's really anything else in here. Doesn't look like it. Nice little key card. Windows 10. Pretty cool. Okay guys, computer's running up fine except for one little mishap with the fan. It was hitting something inside the PC, but we fixed that. So yeah, I'm just gonna again show the keyboard as it's working. It has these nice blue lights that light up all the keys, which is really nice. And then the mouse, oh, it's purple now. This is seriously my favorite color on this mouse. It changes color. Let's just wait until it changes color. Just want to show you how it changes color. It has a nice symbol and it's got a nice roll pad here to change the color. Now it's green. Viotek did a really good job with this mouse and keyboard, and I really do enjoy these things. But now I'm going to install Windows 10 on this. Got my key card here. I already entered the pin. So let's go ahead and click next. Okay, fine. I accept these terms, these license terms. Go do that. Next. Upgrade and install Windows and keep files, settings, and application. Okay, we decided to select the custom install instead of the other option. Yeah, so it's just going to be copying the Windows files. It's already at 13%, now 14%. So yeah, I'll get back to you when this is done installing. Hello everyone, here is just a new Wi-Fi adapter for the new computer. Our old one was not working with Windows 10, so we bought a new one. This should work with Windows 10, so Windows 10 is being annoying. So it's the Linkus N900 Wi-Fi adapter, dual band wireless, and USB adapter. So let's go ahead and unbox it here. It has a manual. Don't need that. No one ever needs that. And this looks like this is the main piece. Oh, this is really hard to get out. Probably not. I'm just really okay. There's some other pieces, and then we'll leave those to the side. Here is the Wi-Fi adapter itself. It looks like. There's my hand to it. It's not even in frame. What the heck? Run CD first. Says on that. And here's the rust in here. Looks like this is some kind of charging station stand, something like that. So yeah, we're gonna plug that in, and hopefully we can get internet and get some games worked out so we can test the new computer. Okay guys, this is the new PC. It is already running up, and I'm trying it out on BMG Drive, and this is full graphics, full resolution, full everything basically, and look at how beautiful this game looks. No lag whatsoever. It is absolutely amazing. Just look at this game. Yeah, my friend's playing with the hoverboard over there, but that's okay. Try to be as quiet as you can, you know. This game looks absolutely phenomenal, and this is about as good as it's gonna get. So that is just the test of the new PC, and it runs absolutely smoothly. I have not tried Armor 3 yet, but I'm going to try that in the later future. So yeah, just gonna focus on my face now. So yeah, there it is. Absolutely beautiful, and this was successful. So see you guys probably on my gaming channel, Willy Wonk, and on my vlogging channel, The Daily Days. So yeah, see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, kind of tutorial, and so I hope you guys enjoyed this PC build. Bye!